You are looking at a biological gold mine. Inside this facility, millions of creatures are working 24/7 to create a material that, ounce for ounce, is more valuable than silver. Welcome to the Mega Silk Factory. It all starts with an insatiable appetite. These genetically selected silkworms consume tons of fresh mulberry leaves every single day. In this sterile, high-tech environment, they grow at an accelerated rate. Their sole purpose? To spin the perfect cocoon. Once the transformation is complete, the harvest begins. Advanced soft-touch robotics gently pluck the cocoons from the racks. There is no room for error. A dented cocoon is a rejected cocoon. They are immediately transported to the wet sector for processing. Here, the dry shells enter the steam chamber. The transition from nature to industry is about to happen. Boiling water is the key to unlocking the treasure hidden inside.
This is the magic moment. Watch closely. A single continuous strand is located and pulled from the boiling water. Look at that shine. It isn't dyed. This is its natural color, shimmering champagne gold. It catches the light like liquid metal. But a single thread is too fragile. High-speed spindles twist multiple strands together at thousands of revolutions per minute. The blur of gold you see is nature's strongest fiber being forged into industrial yarn. The yarn is fed into massive jacquard looms. The noise here is deafening. These machines weave thousands of threads with violent precision. What was once a worm's shelter is now becoming a solid, luxurious sheet of fabric. The result is a waterfall of silk. Quality control inspectors check the flow with high-intensity lights. It must be flawless, smooth, cool to the touch, and incredibly expensive. Now, biology gives way to pure technology. To avoid fraying this precious material, we don't use scissors, we use lasers. Robotic cutters trace the complex patterns of a luxury gown, cauterizing the edges instantly with extreme heat. Welcome to the assembly hall. It looks like a laboratory, and for good reason. Silk is unforgiving. One drop of oil, one dirty fingerprint, and thousands of dollars are lost. This army of artisans works in absolute silence.
The details set the price. Watch this needlework. It embroiders silver threads into the gold fabric with surgical precision. It's a mix of ancient embroidery techniques and modern automation. The dress begins to take shape. Designers test the drape of the fabric, the way it floats in the air. Real luxury silk doesn't just hang, it flows. It defies gravity. But it's not ready yet. The final stage is purification. A blast of high-pressure steam relaxes the fibers, instantly removing microscopic wrinkles and activating that legendary mirror-like shine. The final inspection is done with white gloves. Only perfection passes. The dress is tagged, folded, and placed into a matte black box. It's no longer just a garment. It's an asset. The reveal. When the light hits the finished champagne gold dress, it glows. It is the ultimate combination of nature's biology and human engineering. From a humble worm to a $15,000 masterpiece in a window display, this is the hidden origin of luxury. The question is, will you pay the price to wear liquid gold?